Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir. Hello, sir. Please come here. Are you Muslims? Muslims, sir? Please come here, sir.
Need doctor also. Yes, no problem. Sick people. Need doctor.
You know Masjid Al-Haram?
Sorry?
You know Masjid Al-Haram?
Yes.
To Masjid Al-Haram. So the Masjid Al-Haram was taken over by Muslims in the 7th century, yeah?
Taken over by Muslims?
In the 7th century.
Yes, okay. And?
Why did they delusionally think? What evidence did they have in the 7th century that Masjid Al-Haram belonged to them?
What do you mean?
No, Muslims in the 7th century took over a building from non-Muslims in the 7th century, yeah? From non-Muslims, they took it over. Like they take over all sorts of land everywhere. In the 7th century, they delusionally thought that the building belonged to them. Based on what evidence did they think so?
Based on what evidence?
Yeah.
Because this is the house of God.
Sure. What evidence did they have in the 7th century that that building belonged to them?
This building was belonged to Arabs. Arabs were pagans before Islam. When they became Muslim, the same house place is for them.
But did you listen to my question? Evidence.
What
I know you have fancy stories.
What
I'm
evidence?
looking for evidence.
They are the same people, by the way. They converted to Islam, and
Please, sir. I'll ask the question again, sir.
you weren't listening to me. Actually,
No, I
you
have
want
listened to
you
you.
want to reach a point of your choice. You know, no, that's not the question. Actually, it
Would you,
is-
if you please listen
Yes.
right now, the question is simple, sir. The question is very simple for both of you. Muslims clearly took it over.
No.
Please listen. Please listen. Please listen. Let me finish my question and then you can debunk me. I'll give you time to debunk. Yeah. Muslims clearly took over Masjid Al-Haram in the 7th century. Took over, yeah? Number one. Number two, they clearly had the same idea like you. I completely agree. They clearly thought that that building belonged to them. I completely agree. Like you have fancy stories in your mind.
You're repeating yourself.
Sure. Because I'm clarifying to some people who are.
We got
Yeah,
it.
sure.
Go on.
Now, I am focusing on a particular word. What evidence did they have in the 7th century that that building actually belonged to them before they
Who
took
are them, by
over?
the way?
Who are them?
Let me ask you a question. Who are them? Muslims? Did they come from outside Arabia and conquer the land and took the house for themselves?
Okay.
They're the same people who already
Can
own
we
the
read?
house.
Can we read?
Arabs owned
Let me know once.
Listen,
Once more.
Arabs owned that house.
Let's read.
They were pagans. They converted to be Muslims. It's their house.
Sure,
Same.
listen.
You're not answering my question, by the way.
I'll answer. Because you clearly haven't read your Quran, I'll answer for you. So you think they didn't have to take over, it was their thing and they just had it. Let's read. Surah 9, Ayah 5. Then, when the sacred months have passed, slay the idolaters. Slay the idolaters wherever you find them. Slay them wherever you find them and take them and besiege them and prepare for them each ambush. But if they repent and establish worship and pay the poor due, i.e. become Muslims, then leave their way free. In other words, they were non-Muslims. These Muslims who are crazy, like they are even today, even in our nation, the UK, they walk around thinking the UK belongs to them. The same delusion was there in the 7th century. Let me finish.
think it belongs to you?
I'll finish. And then you can try what you can try at that time, sir. Clearly, they went ahead to advance murderous violence against non-Muslims to take over that property. Now to you the question again is, on what basis did they think they had a right to that property, sir? Evidence, please. Where are you from, sir?
I'm not going to argue
I know
with
you won't talk.
actually.
No, you can't talk, sir. Please, if let him, sir. No, one, sir. Where are you from, sir?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter
I know
where
wherever
I'm
you're from, it's the same thing. I know.
Doesn't matter.
Same cluelessness. You may come from Arabia. You may come from
By
here.
the way, by the way, these verses that you mentioned, it's not actually, they're not general principles. They are actually They are about a battle happened during the time of the Prophet, where the Prophet army was attacked and murdered by non-believers, you know. So he asked him to defend themselves. That was about that particular
Lovely.
moment only, not not actually a
Okay.
general idea, principle
Sure.
that you are trying now to evoke
don't-
actually and
Thank you.
and
Thank you.
enforce. You know?
So what does the gentleman say? The gentleman says that there was a battle at that time where the Muslims were attacked. They attacked the messenger apparently, and that is when Muslims were given this principle. Show me that from this place, sir, please. I can read this again for
You
you.
pick up 2 lines and then you say, show me.
I have at least picked up 2 lines. You picked up no line.
Story of the verse.
Please listen. I have at least begun to read. You have not read anything from the Quran so far.
No,
You are
we
Muslims.
didn't. No,
I
we
am
didn't.
not a Muslim. So please
You
read.
did, you did, yeah.
I'll read again.
You
I
are-
shall. Once.
you are a very picky man, by the way.
Once. Yeah.
Just pick
Try-
words and
Sure.
you want to enforce
No.
it, you know?
Once the conversation is.
Yeah, it will
Please
answer
listen.
me the question,
Excuse me, sir.
actually.
Please.
Did the Muslims came from outside Arabia? and
Let's read
conquered the
again.
house?
Let us read
Answer
this
the
again.
question, Answer the question.
Let us read this
Then
again.
You answer me.
Let us read this again.
Change the subject now.
Then.
Cannot pick one thing, 2
Please listen.
2, 3
One second. Excuse me, sir. Please. Let's read again. Then, when the sacred months have passed, as I read, please pay attention to see if the Muslims were attacked. Please pay attention. No, don't worry. I'll finish reading.
Let me see this
No,
book.
please. I'll finish reading and then you can say.
What he's talking about.
Please listen carefully and tell me what I am reading tells you that the Muslims were attacked. Let's read again. Then, when the sacred months have passed, slay the idolaters. Who were the initial aggressors? The Muslims. Do you here see that, hey, look, if they attack you, defend yourself? No. When the sacred months have passed, what was the triggering point? When the month is over, not when they attack you, but when the month is over, attack them, slay the idolaters wherever you find them. What were the idolaters doing? They were about their own business, in their own places, living their normal lives as we are, as Christians in our nation.
Okay, one
Just
second.
getting on.
One
One
question,
second. No, please wait.
I asked
Please wait.
Who Jesus is?
Wow,
alive
stay
or
quiet.
dead?
Excuse me, sir. Please don't touch me.
alive
You
or
see aggression already.
Yeah, no.
Muslims showing aggression when they can't answer. Please listen again.
Who killed Jesus?
When I live my normal life, excuse me, sir. When I live my normal life, when the rest of the Christians live our normal lives in the UK, suddenly you're going to decide, one of you, some of you are going to decide, okay, when the month is over, we shall attack. That's what you did here, and that's what you would do again, sir. Please show again the evidence that the Muslims had that building belonged to them. Please see. See as best as you want.
Let me see the book that you
Yes,
have.
please. It's your Quran, of course. It's a death
The
manual. What
meaning
else
of
would
the
it be?
glorious Quran.
It's a murderous death manual.
It is the-
Al Qaeda. Hey, one second. For anyone who doesn't know, my dear friends, for anyone, please listen. Excuse me,
by
sir.
some stupid guy like
Yeah, the
this.
Quran was written by some stupid guy. He agrees.
No, this is explanation.
Completely agrees.
Somebody like you.
Yeah, explanation of some
don't
stupid
understand
literature. I
anything.
completely agree.
Explained it the way you want to explain it.
Sure. Lovely. So
I
he,
haven't seen anybody more stupid than
some
you.
stupid guy.
Honestly.
You see, I told you.
والله ما شفت أخبار منها.
I told you. When a Muslim cannot answer, what will they do? They will dehumanize. I am some stupid guy who is reading some stupid stuff. Where was I reading from? From their own Quran.